get this, get all that out the way. And then how, oh, I better turn that screen around. Can't see shit. Can't see shit. There we go. How are you going? All right, got everything in the background. Right, I'll walk in and get going. Okay. G'day, how you going? I'm Ianapolis, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my video, and I've got a fucking itchy nose. Hang on, I've got to do that again. Oh, bloody hell, I hate that. All right. Take two. G'day, how you going? I'm Ianapolis, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a channel where I teach beginners and advanced beginners how to paint in acrylic. And the one I'm going to paint today involves a traceable. Before I get started, I want to get the sizes up there for you, and I will also get some colours going up the screen, just like that, so you can pause it and write them down if you've got the same colours as me. But don't worry if you don't, use something similar. Now I have a traceable for this, printed out to the size of my A3 size, and you dickhead, my A3 size, and the link, no, I have 12 links below. Check out the traceable link. In there are all the traceables relevant to my YouTube painting, relevant to my videos that need traceables, all right?
Fucking always saying all right. Relevant
to my YouTube tutorials. Now, there are people that do not have methods of transferring this onto your canvas, so I'm going to show you how to do that without any carbon paper or special chalks or anything like that. So get on over here and we'll get right into this colourful project. Let's hope, oh, that's going to work. Now let me bring you down and immerse you into my palette with me. I've got some colours here. I've got some soft titanium white. No fucking hell. I've got some soft titanium white. It's a soft body paint. It's a lot softer than what comes out of these tubes. I call it craft paint. Poster paint, student paint, whatever. Now see this liquid here, for those people that don't know what that is, that's retarder.
What's retarder?
Retarder is a medium. A medium is an additive you're adding to your products that you're going to put onto your canvas. And that retarder retards down the drying time of that paint. Retard means to slow down or pull back, halt. Okay, so it's going to slow down the drying time of that paint. And this paint here, when I mix it with that, it's going to create a beautiful surface. So
these colours, they're going to be able to just blend and melt together. Okay, it's going to be fantastic procedure happening right in front of you onto the canvas.
So let me get this all mixed up, ready for you to see what you can do.
Now let's make sure the bastard's on right.
The sky colours, all right, so I got a bit carried away there. Let's get some grey and some
blue. Oh, it's got the red in it, you bastard.
That'll do. Look at that, there's a big chunk of red in there, you mongrel. Righto, grey and blue, and I want a little bit of that, so that's it. All right, let's go. There's no rush for you. There's no rush. There's no rush for you. There's no rush for your painting to be finished. Take your time and enjoy the moment.
And now we've got a sky ready to take on some magnificent clouds.
There's a bloody lawnmower going now. I hope they can't hear that stuffing thing. Okay. Make it light. Now I might put something, let's say here. Now I've got some blending brushes here. When I blend, there's a fucking towel. I can't do that again. Now I've got some blending brushes here, and when I blend, I've always got a kitchen towel.
And look at the weather we've created in that cloud.
That bloody whippersnipper, Jesus. I shouldn't use the Lord's name in vain, but bloody hell, my goodness. Right, let's get down here again. Now I'm grabbing some more white, and we're just going to put some clouds up higher in the sky. Fucking lawnmower. Okay. Now I want to come from, say, here. I want to get something here before I finish. I'll come off the painting and try and come in front of that and then up. Now some clouds Now see the body of it, how it's a bit of a line? I want to kind of distort that line and make the footprint a bit bolder. There we go. And he's just going to come off the painting there. Now, as you go higher, you want your basic clouds on, then the next one in front of it, not the other way around. I've done it myself, I've done it wrong before myself. But I have the opportunity in my tutorials to teach you the right way. Now I want to give this a bit of a bum. It's in front of that one we did before it. There we go. Keeping the bottom of it solid, just like that. And then we're going to twist, turmoil and blend the top into its cloud body. There we go. When you master clouds, you will not believe just how easy they were hiding from you. It took me years and I was so frustrated. Why can't I do a simple cloud? This one here is looking a bit bland. This one needs its little bit of yumminess, so I've just grabbed some on that blending brush and I'm going to try and put it where I feel it needs it. Not too much, just try and be wise when you move it. There you go, that'll do. And I'm going to wipe that brush and I just want to softly sit that, leaving that luster of the yumminess there. God, I can do with another bloody coffee. I need someone here to make me coffee. Okay, so you can see what's going on. All right. So this cloud I put here, where's the camera? This cloud I put here, that's my peripheral cloud.
Before I give this a bit of a spray, because I might need some of that later. We've got water reflections, don't forget. All waterfied, ready to go.
So both sides of the brush when you're brush mixing. Okay, now that's very dark, so I'll just probably go, where's the fucking white? Where are you, you bastard? Right, there we go. So I'll get that white down there before I stuff it up. Okay. So I'll just pull that into some white now to get a lighter value of that distant mountain, the very distant one. Get that off there. Where's the water? Which one did I use for the water? Oh, this one here. So I'm grabbing that watercolour. This will be the this will be the speeded up bit in the real video, in the tutorial. But I'll just bloody get this on because I'm starting to sweat in here. Today's bloody Friday and it's a bloody hot Friday. I don't know. Righto, let's get this quickly. Where's that flat? Nicely flat. Okay, so let me load that brush up, get it wet a bit. Now I've just wet me flat brush. Now I'll just give that a dry. All right, now this colour that I just put on there, I want a lighter and a darker value. It worked for him and not for me. It's simply because you didn't listen.
Is it that cartoon vibe? Fucking frogs in my throat.
Like I showed you before, I just get a red pen.
Why red pen, Ian?
Because I could see where I've been.
I'm simply going to grab a detailed flat brush. I call the little miniature brushes detail brushes. And I just want to simply paint this in now. Get the edges perfect. Don't worry about the inside. Come here, sweetheart. Love you, baby. Thank you, darling. How about we sit under that tree Ian's going to paint later on and have a bit of a hug? Oh, that'll be beautiful.
Okay. She's got longer hair. Look at that beautiful hair.
I love your hair, darling. What'd you do to it? I coloured it. You know how you go to work every week and bring home the money? I spend it on my beauty, so you have a wonderful wife. Oh, thank you very much, darling.
I could talk shit at times, eh?
Now just remember, all my paintings are for sale. Message me on Facebook if you ever want to buy one of my paintings. The links are in the description below.
I'll just give this a dry. All right, I've given that a dry. I want to get a different flavour blue than this.
Clean it in the water, get that water cleaning that brush like that. There we go, yes. And some white. And I want to get a bit of white, not too much.
And brighten some of this up there. Drop some leaves if I want, around there in that light area. Now if you're watching the premiere of this, give me the thumbs up, share and subscribe, and watch the next video in the end card as the credits go up the screen. Support my channel by watching more content. Oh, me fucking back. I need to sit down when I paint. This is bullshit. Righto, where are we? Okay, I just want to sign this in the corner here because I've got no room in the other corner. And hey, if you're a patron, thank you very much for your monthly support. It helps me very much. And if you're not a patron, hit the link below, become a patron and pledge to my channel every month. For the price of a coffee, you keep me producing wonderful content. Now we'll whack a frame on this. Oh, Jesus, that hurts. Sorry for the language, but... Right, so where are we? Here... Passion, that looks like passion. So what did I say now? We'll whack a frame on it. Okay. All right, put the bastard on, will you? There we go. That's not too shabby. I'm going to call this one Passion. We've just got a nice lake scene. He's taken the missus out.
Come on, darling, I want to give you some passion.
And we've got a beautiful passionate tree, and we've got the blues going. Blues and greys. It's beautiful, isn't it? And I know you can do it. Oof. Oof, oof, oof.
Oh, me back, me fucking back. Right, where's the outro? Let's get that over there.
Let's see if we've got enough headroom. Get these brushes flipped that way so I don't knock the bastards. Go that way, not this way. See the neon lights behind? I don't know if you can see them or not, if you noticed them. Oh, okay, so I know you can do it. All right, let's get this bastard finished. Then I can edit it. All right, and I know you can do it. Well, I had a lot of fun painting this painting, and I hope you have a lot of fun learning and painting this as well. Be sure to check out my links in the description below. Give me the thumbs up. Comment if you have a question. I love answering your questions. And tell your friends if you like what I'm doing, but if you don't like what I'm doing, you tell everybody, all right? Goodbye, good luck, and good on yous. Feel like saying, if you don't like it, piss off, piss off. But if you love it, hang around because there's more bullshit to come. Love yous heaps. Uru from the guru. Anyway, thank you for watching behind the scenes here. Give me the thumbs up and share it everywhere. Love yous lots. Uru from the guru. Why I just did all that is Uru from the guru.
Me fucking back's killing me.